I make my own money, so I spend it how I like. I'm just living life. No, I was doing just fine before I met you. Bro, where it is? I don't know, I don't feel like wearing this shit. It's like pretty shitty. Yes. My clothes is still on my suitcase too, so fuck, we gotta open that. So they, we close the backseat or that's the corner of the. I'm gonna work on my ass more and more. Right? Let's try this. Look as good as the pavement. Yep. Did you smell it that way? Damn. Should I wear this? What about the bikini? I don't know, man. I'm not girly to be honest. I don't know what to wear. Should I wear this? No.